I've been using UZ7HO's sound modem for years. It's an amazing application which allows you to use a sound card as a terminal node controller and enable you to send and receive packet radio data using a simple computer-to-radio interface. It's capable of various modes such as AFSK, BPSK, QPSK, and APSK at various baud rates. This can, for example, be used to communicate with the APRS network via 1200 baud AFSK, or audio frequency shift keying. However, I haven't seen a lot of development of custom software applications that can take advantage of this sound modem. So I decided to put together a basic library that does just enough of the KISS protocol in order to communicate with the sound modem program. In this way, we'll be able to use Python to create simple but intuitive applications that can potentially allow us to expand some of the existing systems already in place. In order to demonstrate the library, I created a simple KISS chat application that allows us to connect to our sound modem software and basically use it as a simple chat terminal. So you can see I have these set up to send from K8SDR1 to K8SDR2. And you can see that I have set a different port for the second sound modem because I am actually running this locally on the same machine for demonstration purposes. So we want to make sure that we have our KISS port enabled and set to the correct port number for our given client. And since I have these set, I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. And from here, we're just going to send a couple of messages back and forth between these applications just to give you an idea of how everything works. So by default, the application is starting up with AFSK 1200, which is the same thing used for APRS communication. And you can see that my application does send an ACK back and forth to ensure that we do a retry if the client did not receive our message on the first attempt, and it'll do that up to 3 times. And the great thing with this application is that because it allows easy access to sound modem itself, we can actually switch between various modes that sound modem provides, and we can send data at different speeds, baud rates, and modulation types depending on what type of sound modem we have set up and what type of radio we have that sound modem connected to. And with that, I realized this is a fairly short video, but I wanted to get this information out here, see if anyone's interested in the project, and just get some ideas for new things that we could do with it. Because we've now lowered the bar for what we can do with the sound modem to Python, I was hoping that it would make it easier for newer developers to get interested and active in this particular application, and it might give you a way to create your own ideas for things that you want to communicate over a two-way radio link. And finally, with that being said, I want to thank all of my viewers, my subscribers, and of course my lovely patrons which have been supporting me since I restarted the channel here. I finally wanted to add that I also do consulting. If anyone's interested, hit me up in Discord. If there are radio or technical issues you'd like to discuss, we might be able to work something out where we could both help each other and it'd be mutually beneficial to everyone involved. So if you're interested or need help with anything, please feel free to send me a message on Discord. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.